Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a virtual machine running on you guys' Windows computer. I'm going to make this as quick as possible, so we're just going to start off right now. First thing you guys want to do is pull up the Windows creation tool, and it's going to be the first link that says download Windows 10. You want to get this one downloading first because it takes the longest to actually download, so might as well get it out the way first. And so just press yes to all the prompts that pop up on your computer for it. This is from Microsoft. And then pull up VMbox, and it's going to be the one from Oracle, VMbox. And you just want to click on the big download button and press Windows Host. Sorry, I'm going kind of faster now, but this is, I'm assuming y'all won't struggle with this part. And so you just, press next. Just keep pressing next for it. I mean, y'all can go through it, of course. Make sure you know what's actually happening. But I already seen all this and read it before. And so just gonna put those both side by side. Windows 10 is still not even starting to download. Finish up the VMbox. Now that you guys finally got the VMbox opened up, here's what you guys want to do to set up your virtual machine. These steps are probably the most crucial out of all the other ones yet, so I'm gonna go kind of slower. I'm gonna name this one test, and I'm gonna set it to my other SSD. Oh wait, one thing I almost forgot. You gotta make sure that your version of Windows is on Windows 10 64-bit, like the ISO file I downloaded. Now press next. This is your RAM settings that you're gonna allow the maximum amount of RAM that your virtual machine is allowed to take out of your computer. I only have 8 GB on my computer right now, so I wouldn't want to go more than like halfway, just because it's gonna make my actual computer run really slow. So I'm gonna go a little bit more than a quarter. That's what I usually do. Unless you got like a lot of RAM, then you can maybe bless it a little bit more. I'm gonna click on create a virtual hard disk now. So for this one, I'm just gonna go with the VDMI, which is the first one. And for this one, you guys can have your choice on it, but I usually like going with the fixed size. Dynamic allocated means that it would just grow with depending on how much you use, but it can't shrink. So if you go over and you delete some things, if you go like to a certain amount and you delete some things, it's still going to have the capabilities to go to that amount now. So I like to keep it at fixed, so it can't grow past a certain amount, and a certain amount is going to be 20 GB for this test one. And I'm going to put it in my G folder. Alright guys, so now that you guys finally have your hard drive all situated, I got my 20 GB right there. Next thing we're going to do is quickly go over the settings and then show you how to get your ISO file actually in the virtual machine, because as you guys noticed so far, we haven't actually put the Windows inside of there yet. So first thing we're going to do is open the settings, and we're just going to quickly go through some of them, what I think is important. From general, I'm going to go to advanced and make sure the shared clipboard is on bidirectional. So this means you can actually copy and paste from your main PC to your virtual machine. And I also changed the drag and drop to bidirectional. Second thing you want to do is go into systems, and you're going to notice that floppy is going to be in number 1. I disabled it and put it all the way at the bottom because I don't got a floppy disk, of course. And you can also just disable the optical, because actually you're going to need that enabled. But that should be it in systems, and that's important to me. Display, this is where you can actually add how many monitors you're going to be using. I only have one monitor I'm going to use for it, so it doesn't matter to me. And you're actually able to go from the display to recording. you can actually enable recording, so when you're actually on the virtual machine, it records everything that happens. And that's really it. That's important to me. Next thing we're going to do is actually finally start it up and get the windows in there. So now you guys just want to start up the virtual machine. Now that you got it started up and you see something similar to this, or you might see something that looks like this right here, what you want to do is just do what I just did right there. So I can go press devices at the top and then go into optical drive, press choose or create a disk image, and I had to add it by pressing this add button right here, and then I added it from my Windows by just double clicking it. It's ready here, so I just click it by pressing choose and then restart your machine. And now it's running Windows. And hopefully from here on out you guys can do this part. You just gotta install Windows and do that mamma jamma. And I hope this video helped you guys out, and you guys have a great day. Stay safe.